As you can tell from the title of the video, we are building a better PC than the Xbox One X at a cheaper price. Oh crap. I have like 20 tabs open. Let's begin. I put in the FX 8300 as the processor because it is the clear equivalent of the Scorpio CPU. It has 8 cores and runs at 3.3 GHz, which is actually 1 GHz faster than the One X's CPU. So it comes with a fan and it is $101. The motherboard I used is the MSI 760 GMA P34 FX Micro ATX AM3 Plus motherboard at 52 USD. The RAM I used were the Team Vulcan 8GB DDR3 1600 memory at $50, and it's one stick. Many will argue that DDR3 is nowhere the speed of GDDR5, which is not true. RAM speed doesn't make a large difference unless it's DDR2 or below. The storage that was used in the Hitachi Ultrastar 1TB 3.5-inch 7,200 RPM internal hard drive at $42. The GPU that was used is the EVGA, or EVGA, however you say that, GeForce GTX 1060 3GB gaming video card, which is cheaper than the R9 290, but is barely the same power, like 0.1% worse. It cost $225. The PC case that was used is the Raid Max Viper 2, which looks frickin' awesome at $20 US. Last, the PSU that was used is the EVGA, or EVGA 400-watt ATX power supply at $30. Since I rounded everything up, it would cost $525, but not rounding it up, it would cost $519.91. Why did I not include a mouse and keyboard? Because practically everyone has a working mouse and keyboard. Plus, if it's too crappy for you, you can just use your controller to game and use your keyboard to set things up. Why did I not include a monitor? Because practically everyone has a monitor or a TV. Newsflash, you can use your TV with your PC, and you can use a monitor with your console. Why did I not include the operating system? Because Windows 10 is free. You'll just have to stick with the Windows 10 background. I'm surprised no one knows that. Why did you not include headsets? Well, practically everyone has a pair of headsets somewhere. Why did you not include a DVD drive? Practically everyone has a DVD player, plus digital downloads of the future. But that's over $500. Let's assume you live in a place with 8.5% tax. That means your Xbox One X will cost you $542.50. After tax and shipping, I stuck with Newegg most of the time because in most states they don't charge tax or shipping, your PC would just cost you $540. The Xbox Live one-year service will cost you $60, and the PC doesn't have that. So now you're at $602.50. Now let's buy 3 games with your PC and Xbox One X. Let's assume it's December, because that's the time when you're most likely to get an Xbox One X or PC. Let's get Grand Theft Auto 5, Fallout 4, and The Witcher 3. On the Xbox, that will most likely cost you $110 for the games, and plus tax it would cost you $119.35. Now let's move to PC. Congrats! It's the Steam Winter Sale. No taxes unless you live in Washington. Games are on average 40% off. Let's say GTA 5 is 35% off, Fallout 4 is 40% off, and The Witcher 3 is 30% off. Now you'll be paying $94 for all those games. Sweet! Okay, so now where are we at now? The Xbox One X is now about $725, and your PC is now about $635. Sweet! Now we get to upgrade our PC with the leftover money, buy some more games with that money, or even waste some of your money on microtransactions. Sweet! Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something. Have an amazing rest of your day.